Guys, as you already know, we are building the upgraded version of the Iron Man arm. We have uploaded the complete build progress on our YouTube channel, so make sure to check it out. We made the entire project in shorts, compare how it looked before and how it looked now. Let us know how it looked and what new feature add we have added. Now let's add the rocket here. We will also fuel up our cannon and launch it. After this, there is nothing left to do on this project. So guys, the cannon has been filled up. Now let's test it. This is how it fires.
जिस तरह से फायर आता है।
You have already seen the power of the cannon. Now it's time to test the rocket. We are using this rocket. We will attach it like this and install the fuse. Now let's launch the rocket.
3, 2.
What was that? I thought it would fly away. The igniter got extremely hot. This is how it works. Oh guys, look, it has completely burned. This is a fire over here. I had simply connected a wire directly to the battery. Oh shit.
Shit.